Kim So-eun is a Korean actor best known for his roles in the drama Jim High, Moon Embracing the Sun, and My Love from the Start. In this video, we will talk about Kim So-eun, rumored girlfriend. So let's start it. First, Girls' Generation's Yona. There was a rumor claiming that Kim So-eun dating Girls' Generation Yona back in 2012, since Kim So-eun gained his fame from starting in Jim High. It was reported that Kim So-eun and Yona had their first meeting in a church and both were dating each other. There nothing to be found when it comes to any proof of their dating in the past, but accordingly to rumors, they broke up in 2013 because of Kim So-eun's personality. Second, former member of Wonder Girls Ahn So-hee. Kim So-eun is also rumored to have dated Ahn So-hee, a former Wonder Girl member who left to pursue a career as an actress. Kim So-eun and Ahn So-hee dating rumors circulated around October 2015, and they were claimed to have been dating for a year, starting when Ahn So-hee left JYP Entertainment and signed a contract under the same label as Kim So-eun, P-East Entertainment, on September 13, 2017, when Ahn-si was thinking a lot about starting to her career as an actress and wanted to sign with a new agency. Kim So-eun recommended his agency to her. As reported by Sumpy, they were breaking news on October 19, 2015 about Kim So-eun dating rumor, and Key East Entertainment had to release an official statement to avoid further news from circulating. Third, After School's Nana. After School's Nana was one of the most beautiful faces in the world in 2014, and she is also one of the female celebrities involved in a dating rumor with Kim So-eun on April 8, 2014. After School's Nana appeared on Men's Backlash Code 3D and revealed the truth about her relationship with Kim So-eun. When the host of the show, Mick Dong-hyuk, asked about the rumor that was going around that Nana and Kim So-eun were dating each other, she responded by answering, "If there was a smoke, it has to be a fire. I know about the news from the staff, and they heard it was spread up from the reporter." Fourth, Miss Suji. Kim So-eun had first meeting with Suzy when they both started in KBS popular drama Dream High. They were rumored to be dating each other after filming the drama due to their good chemistry. The rumors circulated around June 2013, 2 years after filming of Dream High ended. According to All K-pop, Suji responding to her dating rumor with Kim So-eun at the wrap-up conference for MBC drama Goo Family Book in June 2013. "We are just close friends to each other, and I have never heard about it, since no one around me talked about it when I was filming the drama Goo Family Book. We talked before the drama filming, since he knew about the place when I was filming more than anyone else." Thank you for watching.